with liberty and justice for all. 6 words we all know from our Pledge of Allegiance. Justice is our foundation. Judges and juries bring it to life. The third branch of government is made up of our courts, judges, and juries. They work together to make decisions based on the facts and the law, based on our Constitution. In our country, the courts are the great levelers, where everyone is equal under the law. Unlike the other branches, the judicial branch was not designed to be a political or representative branch. The courts should not make decisions based on public opinion, political influences, or special interests, or based on what is popular. Its design is unique in the world. Before the American Revolution, the king removed judges if he disagreed with their legal decisions. And juries were often locked up until their decisions satisfied the desires of the king.
Today, we recognize the judicial branch is different from the other branches. It was designed to protect our rights and safeguard the Constitution as the supreme law of the land.
To resolve disputes, to interpret and apply the law,
and to determine, when challenged in the courts, if a law is unconstitutional.
Because equal justice under law requires our courts to be fair and impartial, with judges and juries
who make decisions solely on the facts and the law,
who don't represent one group or party versus another,
who don't make decisions based on their personal opinions,
unbiased judges and juries who apply the law without playing favorites,
free from the influence of special interest groups, free from the influence of public opinion,
free from emotions that fuel our country's most divisive debates.
Judges and jurors who don't bend the rules and who don't bend to pressure.
It means making hard but fair calls based on the facts and the law, and not letting the crowd's reaction change your mind.
We need both judges and juries to make our system work. Every day, ordinary people from all walks of life serve as jurors. They assemble in courtrooms across our country to listen to the evidence on both sides of a case, to decide the case based on the facts and the law. In our system, unlike anywhere else in the world, regular citizens play this essential role every day in every state. Judges give instructions on the law for the jury to apply in each case, but the jury decides the facts and ultimately the outcome. Trial by jury is at the heart of our legal system. Under our Constitution, we all have a duty to serve as jurors when summoned. The framers of our Constitution understood that jury service is an important opportunity for each of us to participate directly in our government. Serving on a jury is both an honor and a duty. The Constitution trusts us all with a profound responsibility to make sure we have fair trials for everyone. Because when judges and jurors decide cases fairly and impartially, then and only then do we bring to life these founding principles of liberty and justice for all. Throughout our history, Americans have turned to the courts to seek justice. But our courts cannot work without fair and impartial judges and jurors. Justice Sandra Day O'Connor said, "I have seen that reality. I have worked alongside judges and justices dedicated to defending the integrity of our courts. Impartial judges who stand outside of politics and partisanship, free from the influence of special interests or particular groups and causes. Because when a judge does what is right, according to the law, when a judge decides each case strictly on the merits, when a judge gives every case and every person the same treatment, our courts are what they must always be, fair and free."